If you had an accident, Binder and Associates can help you protect your rights. Meet Ron Binder and Warren Binder.
We handle personal injury cases. Those types of cases involve things such as truck accidents, motorcycle accidents, auto crashes, dog bite cases, slip and fall type cases.
Call Binder and Associates to find out if you need a lawyer. They'll talk to you free of charge.
The truth is, there's many instances where people don't need a lawyer. There's fender benders that happen every day, all the time, and for those people, they may not need to go to court. They may not need to hire a lawyer. They could just work it out directly with the insurance company. But I suppose everybody's free to call me, and I can advise them. Whether you need us or not.
I mean, the point is, people just don't know, do they?
People don't know. That's what we're here for. We can pretty quickly evaluate a case and know whether somebody needs a lawyer or not. And then if they do need a lawyer, whether it rises to the threshold that this firm could do it. Because, there are instances where people need a lawyer or a law firm, but it may not rise to the level of this firm, because we have a certain threshold.
The point is that some people don't realize they need a lawyer after an accident.
They don't know unless they are a lawyer themselves, and even if they are, unless they, are in this specialty, and I wouldn't expect people to know.
The reality is if somebody's been involved in an accident and they've suffered an injury, they should at least consult with an attorney to at least know what their rights are. There are many times that people get involved in an accident when they don't know what their rights are, and in some instances, insurance companies will take advantage of those people. So it's to the benefit of an injured party to consult with a lawyer to at least get some general understanding of what all of their rights are.
And that's a mistake a lot of people make is they talk to the insurance companies first.
They do, and a lot of times what happens is people talk to friends and relatives and they get misconceptions or they get bad information as to what they're entitled to what we call in California in our legal system be made whole again, which is to put somebody back into the same position that they would have been in, but not for being involved in that accident and suffering some sort of injury and or damages.
The personal injury attorneys at Binder and Associates offer representation in all types of injury cases, including paralysis, burn injuries, brain injury, wrongful death, motor vehicle accidents, car accidents, truck accidents, motorcycle accidents, pedestrian accidents, mass transit accidents, train accidents, aviation accidents, bus accidents, boating accidents, construction site accidents, dog bite accidents, premises liability, discrimination cases, sexual harassment, and insurance bad faith.
People call every day. I talk to them for free. There's no pressure. There's no strings attached. I talk to people all day long for free.
Free consultation.
And
Absolutely.
That's very important to take advantage of.
There's no cost to you, there's no harm to a prospective client or to an injured party in taking advantage of contacting a lawyer or our law firm to get a free consultation. Again, what happens a lot of times is people get in an accident and they've heard stories and they rely on their own experiences and they really don't understand what their legal rights are or potentially what some legal ramifications they may suffer if they don't do the right thing. So certainly it would be to their benefit to take the time to consult with a lawyer. Take advantage of the fact that you could speak to a lawyer at no cost to you.
When you talk with a lawyer, whether you hire them or not, or whether we accept your case or not, everything we discuss is 100% confidential. So you've got privacy. It's free. You're getting good expert advice. There's nothing to lose. I tell people all the time, call me.
Binder and Associates also gives free second opinions.
Good, bad, or otherwise, I will call it like it is, and I'll tell them whether they're in good hands or not, or whether their case is going in the right direction.
It's a free second opinion.
It's free.
It's a free second opinion, and look, there's over 200 and something thousand licensed attorneys in the state of California today, and you may have consulted a lawyer. I would suggest to a prospective injured party or to somebody who has been injured, there's no harm in getting a second opinion from somebody, having a second set of eyes look at the same set of facts, you may get a different opinion, you may get a different plan of action, you may get different perspective, you may get a different idea as to how you want to pursue your case.
With Binder and Associates, there are no upfront costs.
No recovery, no fee. If we don't achieve a settlement or a verdict on our client's behalf, we do not go back to our client and ask them to pay us whatever costs or time or work that we have invested into their case. There is no money out of the client's pocket. When we meet with a client for the first time and when they choose to retain our firm to represent them in connection with their case, we do not ask them to write us a check or give us any cash. We assume all the financial costs associated with their particular case.
We'll pay all the costs associated with that case, and sometimes it could be up in the hundreds of thousands of dollars of our own money.
Binder and Associates, 251 South Lake Avenue, Pasadena. For a free consultation, call 626-793-9124. BinderAssociates.com.